Hi, my name's not Kat and I will not be getting your heart today. This is an original song. Dang it. I don't know if that continued filming while I just did that, but whatever. I had to reply to a text. This is an original song. It's called Photographed Memories. And I'll tell you what it's about after I sing it. I thought I needed to say goodbye. My piano's off. I thought I needed to say goodbye to you. I never thought I would say goodbye to you. I loved you and I was just in the wrong headspace. I was thrown over the fence and I beat myself up. I was wrong, and I'd like you to know. People think differently and I thought I was right. You thought I was wrong because you think differently. Then again, you're older than me, so you are probably right. I don't know, I just thought I'd say goodbye. I loved you and I was just in the wrong headspace. I was thrown over the fence and I beat myself up. I was wrong, and I'd like you to know. I know this is probably it, and I may never see you again, but you cared about me, and I hope you know I was wrong, and I'm sorry. I can't go back, though this is it, and I hope you understand. I was thrown over the fence, and I beat myself up, and I hope you have a good life without me. I will keep our photograph memories safe, and I'll always remember you. But I hope you remember it's not your fault and it wasn't mine either. I was wrong, and I'd like you to know. Yes, I was wrong, and I'd like you to know. Alright, so that is my song. So that song, I can't tell you exactly what it's about because it's kind of personal, and like if I told you what it was about, it would make no sense unless I told you the whole story. But it's obviously about saying goodbye to someone, and this song was more so written pre saying goodbye to them. I haven't said goodbye to them yet. It's about how at the end of the school year I'll have to say goodbye to them. And how I'm scared too, because I may never see them again. Because I'm going to a different school. So, yeah, but about that whole I'm wrong and I'm sorry. Something happened and I'm wrong. I'm sorry. And one of my friends may be watching this video and being like, oh, this is probably me or whatever. You know, it may not be you, actually. The person that I wrote this song about will probably never see this video. Probably. So, unless I, like, told him about it. So, it was kind of like two different people that I kind of wrote this song about. Actually. So, let's backtrack a little bit. So, about saying goodbye to someone that means a lot to me, essentially. That person I'll say goodbye to at the end of the year. But about the whole I'm wrong and I'm sorry part was actually about a different person that I had to say goodbye to yet last year. So, yeah. So, couple announcements. Number one, not my last video. It depends which video uploads first, but my I Wish You Liked Girls video has almost 200 views. That's crazy. I remember on my last channel, I actually have more subscribers on my last channel than I do on this channel, and but that's okay. And I thought, wow, 12 subscribers, that's a lot of people. Even though most of them are my family and stuff. But my videos would always get like maybe 5 views, 10 views, you know, like not that many. And my most popular video used to be One for the Road and I Eat My Ukulele. I have no idea why. But then I checked really recently before I uploaded I Wish You Liked Girls, and it was a little bit of everything tag that had like 50 views or something. And last night I told my family, I was like, yeah, my I Wish You Liked Girls video has 100 views, and my family was like, oh my god, are you serious? I guess I just uploaded it at just the right time where everybody's like searching for it and stuff. So thank you to all those 200 people. By the time this video goes up, there may be more, I don't know. And even if most of them don't see this video, whatever, that's fine. But yeah, and like my third most popular video was more about sexuality and gender or whatever. Which I think the reason why that has a lot of views is people might have thought that that was a video about different types of sexuality and genders, whenever I was really just talking about myself. So, yeah, I don't know. Because I always find it weird whenever like part 2 videos have more views than part 1 videos. And I'm just like, what? Like, I'm pretty sure my art supplies part 2 has more views than my art supplies part 1. I think it made 2 parts to that video. Yeah, second announcement. I have a second channel now. My old channel was called capital L P S capital R A C H E L dash space S capital S T A R. Well, this morning I decided to change that name to Also Not Cat. And so you can see some of my old videos, different things like that. Some like random kind of crappy stuff that I don't want to put on here and different things. So, yeah, bye.